How to replace the motherboard of an 8-slot station. First, unplug the power cord, turn the station to the back and you will see 6 screws used for fixing. Unscrew them, and pick up the shell to see the module, motherboard, and motor. Unscrew the 3 screws on the module, then gently remove them, and then remove the 4 motors. Remove the backlight cable, speaker cable, and indicator light cable to remove the motherboard. Take out a new motherboard and replace it. Then, connect the speaker cable, backlight source cable, and indicator light cable in sequence. Be sure to press the buckles on both sides back, install the motor, module, and shell, and finally connect the power. Wait until the QR code light lights up to use it. Normally,